the students and working accountants. Welcome to my Smart Tally Prime YouTube channel. My name is Babra from Hyderabad. Before entering to our topic today, a small advice to you. If you want to learn Tally Prime with GST, then TDS, TCS, everything very well, and you want to gain expert knowledge and to become expert accountant, please follow all my videos in this channel in the same order in which I uploaded the videos. In such a case, if you follow like that, you will gain expert knowledge and you will become expert accountants. And another thing is, actually, at the end of the video, I used to tell this. Now I am telling in the beginning, it is good to now. That is, everyone visiting my channel, please, subscribe to my channel. If not already done, it's already subscribed. Okay, no problem. Second time you cannot subscribe, only once. So you please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon and select all option. So you will get notification for all the videos when I upload the videos. So you get notification. And then please share this my channel with all your friends as well as others, either working accountants or students who want to learn Tally Prime and GST, TDS and TCS very well. So please share with them. And when you're watching these videos, all the videos, you please watch the every video till the end of the video, because in the beginning, if you take a topic, so we will explain everything about the topic, any rules or any settings to be done, all this will be explained, and then we will take up the practical part, that is how to implement those settings and all these things, rules or settings in Tally Prime, and how to record the transactions. So if you, after some time, if you skip the video, so you can see you can hear the only, you can know the only theory part about the topic, and then you cannot understand the practical part, how to implement and how to record in the Tally Prime. So please watch the video till the end of the video, and then after watching the video, if the video is good, please like my channel by clicking the thumb icon. Okay, and then below that, in the comment section, definitely, surely you post your comment. That is your idea about this video, any problem or anything you cannot understand. All these things you post in the comment section of this video. Don't forget to leave the comment. Don't forget to post the comment. So now we will enter our topic. See, already I have done this topic. I have done this topic long time back. Already this video in the old days, you can see the video. Anyhow, this is very important. That is why I am taking up this one, and another one I am taking the next video. Both are very important. Okay. So here, how to take this is how to take the data backup and restore the data, and how to configure the data path in Tally Prime. This is what we are going to learn now. And now, what does it mean is, our Tally Prime is in G drive, Tally Prime and data. Tally Prime and the data means database. Data folder means database in which all the companies and all the data is stored in the data folder. That is the database. This data, all the data contained in the Tally drive, G drive, Tally Prime and the data folder, the database, this is the original data. So when we are going on recording these transactions, if something happens to the data, if the data is corrupted, something happens, or by mistake, if the company is deleted, company itself is any company, there are many companies, any company, if the company is deleted or company data is corrupted, then you will not get back the company, or you will not get back the data, that everything will be lost. So in such a case, it is better to take a copy of the original data. This is the original data. Take a copy of the original data and keep, save it in another drive, because that is, taking the copy of the original data and keeping in another place, it is called backup. So taking backup of the data. So the backup is to be placed in some other drive, because so if you keep this backup also in the same data, in the same folder, that is in the same drive, there is no use. If the engine is corrupted, the drive is corrupted, we will our data also will be lost. If the company is deleted, that data is also deleted. That is why you never keep the backup in the same drive of the tally. Try one thing. And original data is that everything is any downloads or anything is actually downloaded into C drive. So that is a really dangerous, because we get virus and we have to sometimes format that drive, and all these things will happen. That is why even if data software or anything data relating to the tally drive, software data for anything, don't keep even original data also. Don't keep or don't reserve, don't keep in the C drive. So forget about C drive. In all the other drives, so take some other drive in which we have lot of space, free space. For example, in this case, if you see, so if you go to our PC, see here, our data on our tally drive, tally is in D drive is almost full. There is F drive and G drive, F drive and G drive. In the G drive, there is automatic data that I will tell you later. So F drive, there is a lot of space, that is free space. That is it is better to take the backup in F drive. How to take the backup in the F drive? How to take the backup in the F drive? So then, so select a company, any company, select the company, any company select, go to, that is, selecting means not only any company. So from this, you go to, gateway of tally. So you select a company, then you will go to gateway of tally. And in this here, there's all is the company button, companies, company info button, and then go to the next one, all to buy. Click that, there is a thing here. Backup, restore, split the data path. Split the data, we already know, because previously after completing the financial year, how to change the financial year. There are 3 methods. In that, one among the 3 methods is splitting the data, that is dividing the company into a new company. That is, will be split into new company, and a new company will be created automatically with all the folders, not folders, with all the masters, a separate company will be created, and all the balances, in the sense only the balances related to the balance sheet. That is all assets and liabilities only, because all nominal accounts will be closed and transferred to profit and loss account, and the net difference, the profit or loss, that will be taken to the capital account into the balance sheet. So all the accounts in the balance sheet, assets and liabilities, the balances will be there as it is. They will be carried forward. So those balances at the end of the last year is called closing balances, will be taken as opening balances. So all the masters with opening balances, a new company will be created for the next financial year. That is one method. That is okay. That is the method, one of the method. There are 2 other methods also. So for that, we use this split option. Okay. Now here, you go here. Now there is backup and restore. So you have to click backup to back up the data. In such a case, so all the companies and the data will be on the right side. On the left side, select the companies for backup. What are all the companies you want to back up? That is given. And here, backup destination path. So why do you want to save this backup file? Why to save this backup? In which drive you want to save? That is called backup destination path. So I have to give the path. So in this case, you can do 2 things. One is you can go to the spot. F drive you want to know, you want to save. In this case, you create a folder already. You create a folder manually. So create this. So take this, a new folder. See here, we get tally backup. Today is 7/5/23. So like this, you can create the data. Create the folder. Now here you go to this one. So go to the other side. So here already the data, the backup file, the folder is already available in F drive. Is already available. Then where it is in F drive. So select that. So for that you have to go to select from drive. If you click that, so all the drives will be shown. So our backup folder is in F drive. Select F. So already backup the folder is there, and select that, enter. So it will come to the again enter. It will come to this sheet. This is the backup path already we created and we selected from the drive. And sometimes you can do another thing is we even if you don't create already, don't create this manually. So you are not created. You are not created, for example. You are not created. The same thing will be done by Tally automatically. Because it's not created, it will create and it will ask if you want to create. So in such a case, so it is not available. It is not available in the drive. See here, it is not available in the drive. So in such case, you want to create a new one, then where you want to create. So in such a case, specify the path. Specify the path. F colon backspace. Now you give the name. Tally backup 7523. So give that. Then it is saying F slash backup 7523 does not exist. That is, the folder is not existing. It does not exist. Do you want to create? You get yes. So it will create. So already see. It will create the folder. Then enter. It will come here. Then, so what are all the companies you want to select? You want to backup. So select the companies. Select another company. Select another company you want. Whatever company you want to select, and then enter. That is, then come to end of list. So it will ask you accept. So if you accept, all these companies will be backed up. The data will all these companies will make backup or backup here. So yes, folder value backup 7523 is asking. So here, if you want to take the backup of all the companies and all the companies, in such a case, you need not go on selecting everyone. Select this one, next one. Instead of selecting all the companies one by one, simply you can click all items. That is all the companies. You click all items, it will take all items. If you want to take only one, in such a case, select whichever you want to name, any one or two companies you want. Now we are going to take up only. So both the cases, take all the companies. So click, you want all companies, click all items. If you want to select some of the companies, select one by one. I am selecting only one now. For our purpose, I am selecting only one, then you going to end of list. So it is backed up. See, you see, in the folder is already we have not created the folder is, it asks you to create. So it created the folder also. See here, Tally backup in the C drive, the F drive, then folder is created, and see, this is the backed up. The company number is 9, backed up. So this is here, it will be backed up as TBK 900. That means this is the code. TBK means Tally backup 900, and next to that, the number will be given 10,009. That is the number of that ID of the company, and the date, the time, everything will be shown. So this is backed up, isn't it? So company that Tally, we backed up the data. So when the company's data is backed up, so like that, it is better always to back up the data every day after completing the work in the evening. After completing the total work, back up all the companies. And tomorrow morning, you see that will be there. Again tomorrow, if you back up again, tomorrow evening, again you back up, again it will take the backup, and in such a case, so today work is also backed up, totally backed up. So the yesterday's backup file is not required because already again we will backed up now. So remove that, because if you keep all this, the data, our disk space will be reduced. So the previous date or week or anything, the previous backup, you delete that, keep the latest one only. Like that, if you give, it's okay. Okay. So our data is backed up. in F drive. Suppose in our D drive, that data related to this company, the data is corrupted. So for some reason, it is corrupted. It is corrupted. So that means data is gone. The data is company's data is corrupted means the data gone. Okay. Or by mistake, instead of we are deleting some other company and doing some other work by mistake, so we pressed Alt D. So it is asking delete. So by mistake, we deleted that company. So in that case, what to do? If the company is deleted, complete data gone, isn't it? So what to do? Then the other alternative is what to do? Already, this is the original data. It is copied and saved in another place. That is, we took the taking the backup. We took the backup and kept the backup in F drive. So that backup already we have, that you can bring it back. Then you can bring it back. Everything will be there. Everything, total data will be available there. So bring that backup data, the backup already, that backup data, you bring back with our drive or any other drive also. So bringing back that drive, that is the backup data is called taking the copy in another place is called backing up. That when the backup data, you can get it back. In such a case, it is called restore. So we can restore the data to this company. For example, check here. By mistake, we deleted this company. See, are you sure? Yes. Okay. So you know we see 23, 24 is there. GST Act company 22, 23 is not available. It is not available. Then what to do? So it is available in F drive. It is available in F drive under the tally backup. This is the number TVK 900 tally backup. So now this we can copy, and that means it is copied from the drive. From here again we can copy that. So it will be available here. It will be available here. That also will be available there, and backup will be available here. If that is deleted, the backup is available. You can take it back. So it will be here in the backup folder. It will be here. Again, we can, that is copied to the original folder. Okay. So now what to do? Now, how to take the backup? So that we lost the company, completely company gone. Or even the company is there, the data is completely lost, data is corrupted. Then what to do? You have to get back. For that also, we have to go to the same Alt Y. So now back it up. Now take it as restore. Take as restore. So go to the restore means you share. So select companies for restoration. So what are the companies you want to restore? So restore destination. There in the previous task, then backup destination path. Now restore destination. Why do you want to restore? Restore means generally our data is in tally frame, D drive, tally frame data. So we can restore back to that place, or if you want, you can restore to another place. So suppose D drive is there, or you can restore it to E drive also. But generally, all the companies are available in the same drive. So this also will get it back. See here, 6, 7, 8 is there, but 10 is there. In between, 9 is not available. So you have to, now you have to restore that to our original data. That is original part. The original part where the original data is available, you have to get it back. So now, where is the file now? The backup file is in F drive. So it's already available. So go to select from drive. Go to the select from drive. Then which drive we have? F drive. Go to F drive. There we have tally backup 7523. Enter that. Now you can see that is there. Only one company is there. There are more than one company backed up. Then it will show the list of the companies. You can select which company you want. We have only one company now. So that is restored. Yeah, that is this one. This company. So we have to take that company. Go there. Here. Restore. Go to restore. Select from the restoration. That is select from the backup file. So this is the backup file. It will come here. So now So it is showing F tally backup. It is showing. So which company you want? The list will show only one company you have. So click that. So that has come here. So select that. If you want to select one more in the list, you have to select. We have backed up only one that you have taken back. So you can get it. Suppose if you have reached backed up all the companies by selecting all items, all the companies will be available. So whichever company you want, you can select for restoring. Or if you want to restore all the companies, then totally all items if you select, all the companies will be restored back, because if there is a problem in all the companies. Totally D drive itself is there is a problem. Total D drive is a problem. In such a case, in the tally, all the companies available in tally in the database, all will be a problem. If there is a problem, then the drive itself is corrected. Then you have to select all items, then get it back. That is restore all items. So now here, it's okay. End of list completed. Now click. So it is restored. See here, it is not shown now. Now close it. Now open it. Close it. Now open. Close it and open, and you can see here also. See here. This is that original data is available in D drive in tally prime data folder. See here, 8, 9 is there. So it is back. So 9 has come back. Now we select. See here, tally prime 09. So 10,009 GST acquisition company 2023. It is back. So it is restored, and you can see the everything. You can see balance sheet. You see the total 1,79,000 change, and you go to day book K and the date first date will do this one. Yes, 22, 22. Whenever you are taking, you must be careful. You are taking which year you are taking, that the date you have to change. That is the period. The period is 1/4/22 to 31/3/23. You have to you must see that these same year will be there, because no dates are there. That means everything is one company and one year only. It will be okay. If there are different financial years are available, then you have to get up the financial year. Okay. See all these from 1st to 31st March, all the day book transactions, all the record is available. Sales, purchase, and all the record, all the vouchers are recorded, all they are shown. And in the balance sheet, everything is shown. Okay. Similarly, you go to profit and loss account, 1,05,100 is the profit. So everything is available. So we got it back. Okay. So this is about the tally, backup and restore. So how to take the backup, the data backup and restore data. This is the thing which you have done. And another one, the next one, you will take up security control. Everything is okay, but everything is okay. Here, there will be a security. What is the security for our data? Suppose we are recording the transaction, everything. If anybody who knows, anybody can open this tally, and you can take the company or anything. You can take the company, you can make some modifications, you can delete, whatever manipulation he can do. In such a case, you want to know, only you want to open the tally and make the increase. We should not allow others to make increase. That is why we have to keep some control. That is, we have to make some control of the, it's called user control. To access the data. For that, you have to make the security control you have to place. So the security control, how to make the security control. So if you go to this one, when you are creating the company, or later, when they are creating a company, automatically it will ask you, I will tell you, tomorrow will check up. So here, after the books beginning from below that, there will be the security control options will be here. So they're not available. How to make them, how to enable the options, and how to make the security control. Security control two types. One is just user access control, means we have to keep username and password. That is one thing. Another one is tally vault password. Tally vault means that name itself is not visible. It will be in encrypted condition. So how to make both these cases, how to make alterations, how to delete, all these things will be. It is called security control. Security control, one is user access control, another is tally vault. Both are all called, totally called security control security for our Tally Prime data. So that we will take up in the next video. Okay. So with this, so today's topic is finished, and I wish all of you learn Tally Prime like an expert, getting expert knowledge, become expert accountants. I wish you all the best. Thank you. Bye.